So it's time to winterize my travel trailer. We're expecting a little bit of cold weather this weekend. Still going to use it, through the winter, but there's some cold weather. Taking this guy in for service, so I won't have it here where I can keep it plugged up or anything like that. So I wanted to be sure that everything was good to go. Spent a little bit of time the other night doing a blowout method with my water lines, and that was a lot of effort. Couldn't find the water pump. Because the owner's manual was very vague on where it was. It seems like every model is just a little bit different. Oh, some are here, some are there. They're all in the front of the camper or near the holding tank. But it wasn't really specific on where it was. I did it the other night after work. It was dark, couldn't find it. I could hear it, couldn't find it. So I blew everything out. Today I took a little bit more time to find my water pump, so that I could run some coolant through the lines. Or excuse me, not coolant, some antifreeze through the lines. So it's really actually easy to find. I'm going to show you where it's at on my 2018 Surveyor. Really super easy to do. In the future though, I probably will completely bypass the blowout method and just go straight to the antifreeze because it was incredibly easy to do. So here we are at the front of my Surveyor, of 2018 Surveyor 32 BHDS. This is going to be the driver's side or the slide side or the left side, whichever way you prefer. On the front of mine, I've got my water tank right there. And the pump is actually really super accessible. I looked around underneath the bed because that's where they've been in other models that I've dealt with and used. But it's actually right under here. There's a little access panel that matches the paneling on the inside here. It's got 4 screws in each corner. Really, really super easy to access. All I had to do was take a few things out. Already has a winterizing kit right here. Here's the hose for that. Again, really super simple. The valve, I've already flipped the valve over. I've actually already filled it with the antifreeze, but normally the valve is turned that way to feed out of the freshwater tank. I turned it over 90 degrees to access this pump. And all I did was I took a jug of RV antifreeze here, the red non-toxic RV marine antifreeze. It has to be that specifically. It cannot use automotive antifreeze as it is toxic. Do is you just stick it in there really simply in the jug, go turn your water pump on, and it suctions it right out just like it sucks out of the tank. So here, as you can see, the panel is back on. It's 4 screws, really easy to get to. All I gotta do is put my stuff back in and it's good to go. After doing this, just kind of quickly, I'm gonna completely bypass the whole blowing it out thing. That took too much time. Just running the coolant straight through here. Super easy, very simple. Yeah, the only thing is I used a little more coolant than, or a little more antifreeze than I thought I would use. A couple of the valves were left open, so they kind of kept going. A couple of the faucets kept going, so I need to get some more to do in my P-traps. 2 gallons though should probably take care of you if you do it right. I'm going to use 3 this time, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.